Hi everyone, look what I have here for you today. Before I take a shower, I have highlights on my hair, and those highlights often get like a little bit brassy. So to fix this brassy color, I use this from Alfheim brand. It's a purple shampoo, and this purple shampoo is amazing because it really balances the color and takes away this orange color. It's just like amazing. And all you need to do after you shower your hair and clean it, you put on your hair, it's a conditioner. So you put this conditioner, and it's not only conditions the hair but also takes away all this brassy colors and gives your hair this platinum color, which is like amazing. So I got off the shower and now I'm going to brush my hair. Usually my hair is very taggly and like I can hardly brush it, but look at this. It's not as hard. Wow. Because what I used is a conditioner. Wow, awesome. And now I'm doing my hair. Look at the gorgeous, beautiful color. I'm so excited. Look how beautiful. It took away all like the orangey colors from the hair. I'm so in love with it. And also like my hair is super soft and super nice and easy to brush and easy to straighten. Look how beautiful. And here is the last one. I am so in love with my hair. Wow. Look how beautiful the color of those highlighted pieces of my hair. It's beautiful. It gave it this shine, this shiny, beautiful platinum. It rinsed all the orange color from it. It's so beautiful. It keeps my hair like beautiful. What's so cool about it, it doesn't make the hair dry, the opposite, because it's a conditioner. It makes it very soft. Thank you for watching. Cheers.